Today we're going to be practicing adding and subtracting integers. We're going to use the duelist extension again today, so I'm going to start by clicking the puzzle piece and then duelist, and then this is where I'm going to show my work, so I want that to be the larger region. So I'm going to click the 6 part of the 4:6 ratio, and then it splits it up into the quiz and my work. Now some kids are having trouble getting in and out of duelist, so they're not using duelist. So let me just show you really quick how to get out of duelist. The way I like to get out of duelist is I just click on duelist again, and then I click the 1. Instead of dividing it into pieces, this puts it back together. So this is how I like to go in and out of duelist, is just by coming over here to the puzzle piece, clicking duelist, and you can either split your screen or go back to normal. So again, I'm going to click this 6 part of the 4:6 ratio. And then over here, I just need to get it to the game portion. And then I'm going to complete 5 problems to help get you ready to take the quizzes yourself. So I have a 5-question quizzes and yours has 32 problems. All right, let's look at this first example. If it is already addition, we can go ahead and apply our addition rules. So there's already an addition sign in between, so I can just think about my addition rules. Same signs you add, different signs you subtract. Well, these are same signs. That's a negative number and that's a negative number, so we add. 4 plus 13 is 17, so a negative 4 plus a negative 13 is a negative 17. Number 2, look, there is not an addition sign already in between. So I need to come over to where I'm showing my work, and I'm going to start by just copying down -2 minus a -11. And then to change the subtraction to addition, remember that you never change this first number. So if it helps you to box it in, box it in. Leave that alone. We do need to make 2 changes though. The first change you always make is you change the subtraction to addition, but then you also have to make a second change and record the opposite of this number. Since this number was a -11, I changed it to a +11. So now this problem reads -2 plus a +11. And now I can apply my addition rules. In this example, the signs are different. I have a -2 and a +11, so I subtract. And I have more positives than negatives, so my answer is going to be a +9. The next example, when you look at it, there's not already an addition sign. So I need to record this problem over here because I'm going to change the subtraction to addition. Notice I gave myself some room in front of this 32 because I realized that I'm going to have to make 2 changes and I need room for those 2 changes. I'll grab another color, box in the first number because the first number does not change. And then I need to make 2 changes here. I change the subtraction to addition and I record the opposite of the 32. So I'm adding the opposite. So this becomes 10 plus a -32. And then I look at my addition rules. Now that it's addition, I notice that the signs are different. That's a +10, that's -32. The signs are different, I'm going to subtract. 32 minus 10 is 22, and I have more negatives than positives this time, so my answer is -22. All right, 8 plus a -14. I already see an addition sign, so I don't have to change the problem to addition. I can just go ahead and apply my addition rules. In this example, the signs are different. All right, so 14 take away 8. I'm left with 6, and there's more negatives. There's 14 negatives. There's more negatives than positives, so the answer is going to be a -6. All right, final problem. You'll notice there's not already an addition sign in between. So I'm going to need to record -2 minus 4, and I'm giving myself plenty of room. I'm actually going to erase this too so that I have a little bit more room. And then I'm going to box in this first number. Oh, I have to go back to scribble. Whoops. I'm going to box in this first number because remember the first number does not change. And then I need to make two changes over here. I'm going to add the opposite. So this becomes -2 plus a -4. Now that this is an addition problem, I can apply my addition rules. Since this is a -2 and this is a -4, the signs are the same, so I'm going to add. 2 and 4 make 6, and -2 plus a -4, I'm going to be left with a -6. So hopefully that will help you complete your quizzes. Remember that if the problem is already an addition problem, you can go right ahead and apply your addition rules. But if the problem is a subtraction problem, I want you to write the subtraction problem down, change the subtraction to adding the opposite, and then once it's an addition problem, you can apply your addition rules.